Hello, my name is Kelsey Mann, and this is my case study for Truman Elementary. What do you know? So Truman Elementary's demographics are pre-K through 8th grade, and they have about 700 students. They have 3 classes per grade level. 5% of them are ELL, and 15% is free and reduced lunch, which tells me that they are most likely not a very diverse school. What do you know? Achievement information. So math scores are higher than reading. Um, they are losing ground on each grade level that the students are growing into, and cohorts are losing ground as well from year to year. Parents and PTO are concerned, and they have addressed the principal with their concerns and are requesting him at their next meeting. My findings are that most reading instruction is whole group, which lacks differentiation, little to no strategy reading being taught. Instruction is not aligned with recent research. I know that especially in elementary school, kids need to be up and moving often. They can't sit there for a 60-minute block, and you need to have them talking with their peers, and they need to be having their hands on books and different ways to learn, not just sitting there listening to a teacher. Recommendations, increase the amount of reading instruction. So right now they said it's about a 60-minute block, which they would like to increase that to about 90 to 120 minutes. Curriculum revisions need to have phonemic and phonetic skills and comprehension. All 3 of those are very important in creating a foundation for reading. Language arts, professional development for staff. I feel like they need to have training so that they feel confident with these new strategies and ways to get these kids excited about learning again. What do you need to know? Some questions that I had are, what leadership teams are in the building? Do they have people coming into their classrooms, popping in and out? Do they have people asking them how their lessons are going? Asking them what resources they need or want? Just having someone on a leadership team come and talk to you about, what do you think's going well? What do you think isn't going well? And how can I help you make that go better? Another question I had is, what professional development has staff received? Um, I know in my district that constantly teachers are going to different trainings and conferences. So are these staff members getting these opportunities? If not, are they bringing these opportunities into the building for professional development for staff as a whole? What resources are available? So what curriculum are they using right now, and are they using it? How is data being analyzed in the building? Are they getting together with the leadership team or with their grade level team to look over their data to see exactly where these gaps are in their reading and where students are struggling the most? How are other buildings scoring and looking at the data within the district? So really my question is it a building issue or is it a district issue? Because that would tell a lot if it's the specific curriculum or if it's teachers not doing it, not teaching it diligently and diving into those strategies. What is the problem? Scores are continuing to drop due to ineffective and outdated reading practices. The district, or possibly Truman Elementary, needs to look into current research on reading programs and curriculums. So it might be time to bring a new curriculum in that has people who come in and check to make sure that you understand the curriculum, how it needs to be used, and check in with you throughout that year. My plan of action. Step number 1. Survey parents to gain views on the issue to see specifically what they are concerned about and what they want changed. Step 2, survey the staff on curriculum strengths and weaknesses, also to see the views of what staff is wanting in a reading program. Step 3, Meet with the district to discuss parent and teacher concerns. Step 4, apply for a grant to purchase research-based curriculum. Step 5, pilot that new curriculum with select teachers. Share the findings with parents and building staff. This is a good step to get a reflection on both what the teachers think and what the parents think before purchasing this curriculum. Step 5, training and professional development to help train the staff on this new program before it needs to be implemented into the classroom. Promoting success for all students. Analyze the data to determine if teachers and staff are meeting the needs of their students and to see what needs are not being met. Share data collected with parents to show results from our curriculum changes in language arts. So this would be a good time to show parents that you are attempting to make changes in your reading curriculum and you are attempting to appease them and make them happy. By producing a new curriculum for the district, it is ensuring that all students will be taught the same material using the same scope and sequence. Resolution. The steps taken will promote phonetic reading to increase the quality of reading instruction. Using data to drive the way our instruction moves will create more purposeful lessons to meet the needs of our students. Reflection. So some questions I had or that I was thinking about when I was reflecting on this is what kind of professional development does Truman Elementary currently have in place? And what type of data meetings are taking place with the classroom teacher and how often? I know sometimes that data meetings have taken place and the classroom teacher has not even been a part of this. And for her to make changes in her lessons and how things are running in her classroom, she needs to be a part of that, or he or she needs to be a part of that data collection meeting. Family literacy nights would to share the survey into the plan of action as well as show parents the reading strategies gained from our new curriculum. This will also help parents know how to help their child at home with homework and just simply like nighttime reading with their family. Share data from the new curriculum at PTO meeting and allow parents to view ongoing data online.